Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video and today's video is regarding my iPhone. Feeling so excited. Finally I am buying iPhone 13. I before decided that I will buy iPhone 12, but seeing the pros and cons of both the variant of 12 and 13, as the 13 is new, so I ordered this on 15th of March this month, and today it is going to be delivered. So I just received a message from Blue Dart that my parcel is on the way, so I'm super excited for the delivery of iPhone 13. Once it will be in my hands, I will do the unboxing, and yeah, this will be my third purchase of Apple. So the first one was my iPad, which I have taken in the year 2020, okay, in the year 2020 February. Okay, so that was also I have taken from Apple website, but this time I went through my Amazon store in order to have a good cashback. So around 11,000 cash, like 5,000 cashback will be coming to my account, whereas 6,000 was the flat of which I got it from iPhone 13. So I will be talking about the price, at what price I got it, and the variant which I have taken is 128 GB, and the color is definitely the pink color. Actually, the pink color is not exactly the pink color, it is like the baby pink we can say, or kind of a mixture of white. So it is very nice pink pastel color which I have bought it. So I'm super excited to have it. And the second purchase was my iPencil, which I am still using it, and here I am making the Apple ecosystem. So next purchase will be definitely the MacBook, which I will be buying. So that's all. Keep tuned for the next update after a few hours, I think. Bye bye. So guys, finally it is here. Let's keep this mask away. So this is what I have received, that is the iPhone. So this is, as you can see, the received was part A slip. Something has been written, my address, and something is there. So let me open it. So let's bring our scissors. Today is Holika Dahan, and on that day it has arrived. So I am super excited. So it is nicely wrapped in a bubble wraps. Even playing with bubble wrap is also so satisfying. So right now I'm not going to play with bubble wraps. I just want my piece. Does it look so beautiful? Am I reacting so badly, or it is an overreaction which I'm showing? But definitely, if you are buying an iPhone 13 means you have to show off a lot. Finally got iPhone 13. Okay, so this is some bill I have received. So actually this one I have received on my mail also. So yeah, this is one I have it. Let's keep them aside. Let's open it. Difficult to come, but I think it will come nicely. So my iPhone 13. Look at that, guys. My goodness, so premium it is looking, isn't it? The color is so beautiful. I am even shooting in my iPad. I will put this there also. So if you see closely, it looks so beautiful, and the color is so beautiful. Actually, this was only available at that time in the store also, but I could not able to get it from store, so I am buying this. So I'll open this later and keep it here. So what I'm getting in this box is the charger. That's it. I'm getting it. I will be using the same charger which I have for my iPad. 20-watt charger is there. So this is what it is available. And there are some of the, like, SIM ejector is there. One pin is there. So SIM ejector pin is there, and one sticker. Where I will put. I have not used even stickers of my iPad also. What to do? If someone want, just put a comment. Okay, also tell me how you like it. Did you really like the color which I took it? If yes, please put a message. So let's close them aside. Let's come to the iPhone part. Let me open it from here. Okay, so let's take the feel. Where I should show, to you or to the iPad? Let's show it to you. Today only I have to go and buy the screen guard of this. So look at that. So beautiful, isn't it? The color is so beautiful. It goes with my skin tone, I think so. So excited. Isn't it looking nice? Okay. So if you see, okay, so these are your, it seems like 12 only, 2 lenses are there, but there is some new features which are there, and this is my first purchase of Apple iPhone, so I'm excited, super excited to move from Android, which I am currently using it, that is a Note 9 Pro Max, and I think it has done a wonderful job for me doing all the videos and all. Before that also I was having Redmi Note 5, but 9 is going to say tata bye bye to me, and I'm going to use this iPhone 13. This video is going to be get a bit longer because the process I will make it into a fast, don't worry. Hello. Something is written, not able to get it. Even not able to get this Chinese also. Come to Hindi part. Nothing. Hola. Bonjour. And it is going to start, I think. What happened? It is not charged. It's open. Namaste, India. And namaste from my side to all other people. Hello. So I need to swipe up to open. So I'm opening it. Let me settle it first. Bye. So guys, this is all for today's video. That was an unboxing video, a small video. So keep tuning my channel. I will bring some new videos and vlogs. So that's all. Bye bye guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, and happy Holi to everyone. Bye bye.